step into the unknown and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, this unity, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish, you very versatile. From jumping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke over pain to reach ocean that leads me high. It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. I will see. Can you believe it? It's wondrous.
I feel like a mom. Is something else gonna happen?
I'm wishing, I wonder. They say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
Haven't you ever had a dream? Something you want so bad you'd do anything?
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. I want it more than I can
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm
take you part of the way. You gotta have the moments of hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share, but I'm glad. And I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do
How long is that shit, bro?
but you gotta make 'em happen.
Let today be the day. Be ready to fly.
There's a whole 7-minute video.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course.
There's a
Stick
10-minute
to
video,
it,
bro.
no matter the squalls.
My arm hurts.
Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast, take you by surprise.
It's make your mama's proud time. So, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
Is there more? Yep. Big Hero 6. Bro, it's already 10 minutes.
I'm surprised it's never been a sequel to that movie. I'll be
Big
honest.
Hero 6. Big Hero 6, my favorite guy. It's already 10 minutes.
I split my video.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
already 11 minutes. 11 minutes.
We started this thing together, and that's how we're finishing it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Ya son milagros, viendo crisálidas. Hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. To fly apart to the night, wonders around you. Just let the walls come down. Don't look behind you, cry till you find your way toward tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we collide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, you believe it. It's the magic that we collide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
My eyes! I have flashbacks. I was about to start recording.